everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today in this video we will tap that since there is a plus operator here, minus are called unary plus. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today in this video we will be learning a very new topic, that is operators in C. So this will be the introduction part where we'll be covering what is an operator, different types of operator, and we have two main things, that is operand and operator. So what is this operand or what is this operator? Everything in detail let us discuss in this video. What is an operator? An operator is a symbol which tells your computer or the compiler which mathematical or logical operation that needs to be performed on the data. For example, it can perform the operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and many more like this. Let me give you a small example on it. For example, if you want to perform any addition operation on a program like 1 plus 2, gives you out the result as 3. So here we can call this 1 and 2 as an operand and plus is an operator. So what your compiler will do? Your compiler will understand that since there is a plus operator here, it will understand that it should perform the addition operation and gives you out the result as 3. So this is the expression that your compiler is going to understand. So what is this expression? Expression is a sequence of operators and operands which will give you the single value after the processing. What is this after the processing? Like as I told you, it will read the operand and operator, operands and operators, and it is going to give you the single value as a result. That is after processing. This is done by your compiler or your computer. So now let us see the types of operators. Based on the operands, the operators can be classified into 3 types. The first one is unary operator. The second one, binary operator. The third one is the ternary operator. The unary operators can be like plus, minus. This plus and minus are called unary plus and unary minus. And this binary operator we have plus plus and minus minus, which will perform the same operation, but this plus and minus, plus plus minus minus is called the increment, prefix and postfix. How we can call it as increment, decrement, prefix and postfix, I'll tell you later. And we have ternary operator. In the ternary operators we have logical not, address operator, and the size of. So these are the different kinds of operators that are classified based on the operands. So now let us go with the very first classification, that is the unary operator. What is a unary operator? Unary operator is nothing but there is only one operator. For example, if you want the value of any expressions like you have int a is equal to 10, b is equal to minus 3. Okay. But here you have to perform some addition operations, that is c is equal to a plus b is the operation that needs to be performed on. At that point of time, what happens is like, let us assign the values to the a. A is having the value of 10 and b is having the value of minus 3. So what happens is plus into minus, the value is minus. So 10 minus 3 will be always 7. So the value of 7 gets stored in the variable named C. So C will be having the memory allocated, and the value 7 will be stored in the variable named C. This is the unary operator. The same thing applies for the addition also. And next one is the binary operator. As I told you, binary operator is having this plus plus minus minus. This is called the increment operator and this is called the decrement operator. And any of the variables is having plus plus like this is called as postfix. And if any of the variable is having the operator before the variable is called as the prefix. This is the prefix, this is the postfix. Now let us understand how can we use this binary operators in the program. We have int x is equal to 10, int y is equal to 20, and also int y is equal to x plus plus. So what are we having here? We are having the postfix given for the x. So what does this x plus x in the plus plus indicates? Plus plus indicates that x is equal to x plus 1. So when it is x plus 1, how can we segregate is x, what is the value of x? 10. The value of x will be 11. Can you assign, can you tell now y is equal to 11? Definitely no. There is one small trick which is used here. So deeply concentrate over here. So as I told you, the value, x is allocated in the memory, and we have the value as 10, and y is having the value as 20. What is the value of int y? We are having the int y is equal to x. So what is the value of x here? The value of x is 10. So the value of 10 gets stored here. Right. Then after processing, since we are having the plus plus operator which is a postfix, so after processing this is nothing but x. So x is equal to x plus 1, so x is equal to 11. Value of x is 11, and the 11 will get stored in the memory name x. This is how x plus works. And when you have any decrement operator, for example, y is equal to plus plus x, that is, it's not a decrement operator, sorry, it is a prefix operator. So at that point of time, how the memory location will happen, how the values get stored, let us see. X is having a prefix, so y is equal to, as I told you, plus and plus, since it is an increment operator, x is equal to x plus 1, and as I told you, x is equal to x plus 1, it is 11. So the value of the first value of plus plus, that is an increment operator which is having a prefix, will get stored in the value of y. So the value of y will be 11, and the value of x, what is the value of x here? It is 10. So the value of x will be 10. This is how the increment operator will work for the prefix and postfix. The same thing applies for minus, postfix and prefix. This is about the binary operator. So next let us see the ternary operator. What is this ternary operator? As I told you, we have different kinds of ternary operators. The one is logical NOT, and address operator, and size of operator. So this logical NOT is used to convert the true value into the false value and false value into the true value. For an example, we can tell x is equal to 10 and y is equal to 20. And now if you apply any conditions like x is greater than 10, if this is the condition, at that time we have to classify the value x is greater than y. So 10 is greater than 20. We have to apply the logical NOT. You know, as I told you, is 10 greater than 20? Is the statement true? Definitely no. It is a false statement. Since we are having a logical NOT here, the false statement is converted into the true statement. If vice versa, how it will happen? For example, instead of less than, if we have greater than symbol here, if 10 is less than 20, is the statement true? Yes, the statement is true. At that time, we can write it here, the statement is true. Since there is a logical NOT here, the true statement will get converted into the false statement. This is how the logical NOT works in the ternary operator. The second one is the address operator. This address operator stores the address in the memory of an operand in the memory. The last one is size of operator. What does this size of operator do? It compares, or it tells the size of the value that whatever we have entered. For an example, if you have entered the size of int here, it will give you the size of the int as 2 bytes. The value is 2 bytes. Or if you have entered it as float, the value of float byte conveys it as 4 bytes. So in the, not only the data types, you can also give the variables. How can you give the variables? If int a is equal to 10, if you want the size of A. So how can you tell the size of A? What is your A here? Your A is an int data type. Since it is an int data type, you can easily determine the size, or you can easily tell the size as 2. This is about the ternary operator. So next is the binary operators. This operation is performed on the 2 operands. We have different types of binary operators. One is arithmetic, relational, logical, bitwise, equality, comma operator, and assignment operator. Under arithmetic operators, we have got plus, minus, multiplication and division, which will perform between 2 operands and gives us the result. And next one is the relational operator. We have relational, greater than, less than, greater than, equal to, less than, equal to. Coming to the logical and logical or, and this is bitwise and bitwise or, right shift, left shift, bitwise XOR, and this is the bitwise negotiation. Coming to the equality, we have equals to and not equal to, comma operators and assignment operators. That is, equal operator is called the assignment operators. So this binary operators, in the next upcoming video, let us discuss one-on-one in detail. So this is ternary operators. This ternary operators requires the 3 operators. That is, we can have expression 1 like this, and expression 2. Last one is the expression 3. So as we already discussed what is an expression, and you know, if this condition passes, it will go to the, it will display the value of expression 2. If this condition fails, then the flow will go to the expression 3 but not the expression 2. Let us see it with a common example. We have given A is equal to 10, B is equal to 15. So let us segregate the values or assign the values to the variable. 10 is greater than 15. So this is the condition we can tell. Is this condition true? 10 is greater than 15? Absolutely no. So what will happen? Will this, let us give the value for A also and for 15 also. So can we tell if this, since the condition is failed, where will the control go? The control goes to the value 50. So 50. So for the second example, we can have A is less than B, that is 10 is less than B. Is this condition, that is 15? Is this condition true? Since the condition is true, the value of A will be 10. Since this condition is false, the statement is going to the expression 3 and the value of B is 50. This is how the ternary operator works. So guys, I hope you have understood the concept. Overall, we have learned what is an operator and different types of operators. In the next upcoming video, let us learn in detail the binary operations or operators. So thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. So stay tuned for all our upcoming videos. Thank you.